Guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is going to be my go-to date night glam whenever I'm trying to, you know, get ready to go out. This is my go-to. Other than the bold lip, you guys know I'm more of like a nudie girl. I like a nude lip, but I wanted to try something different because I know the love season is coming. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I want to give you guys a bold lip that you guys can do as well. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my brow pencil, and this one is by the brand Secret of Pharaoh. It's the micro brow pencil in the shade Natural Black.
Cause I can't guess the things that you're thinking, so help me understand your love. Tell me everything you want me to know, cause I can't fix it till I know that it's broken. Tell me you do, tell me you don't, tell me you will, then tell me you won't.
Now to conceal my brows, I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. This one is the matte finish in the shade Deep Olive.
What you want, so I can understand your love. Help me understand your love, cause you're going about this all the wrong way, and I can't figure out.
Now I'm going to take my Benefit Boing concealer, and this one's in the shade number 8, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to my lids just so that they're a little bit lighter than my skin complexion for my shadow. So for most of this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using my Starr matte collaboration palette because I want to do a soft like matte look. So these are the colors I'm going to be using. First I'm going to take the lightest shade, and that's going to be my transition shade.
And I'm right here, setting my ground, but I walk out if you never gonna talk to me. Never gonna talk to me. It's all out of my hands. I don't understand, cause you know you won't talk to me. No, you won't talk to me. And I'm right here, setting my ground, but I walk out if you never gonna talk to me. Never gonna talk to me. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me understand your love. Help me go the way you want me to go, cause I can't guess the things that you're thinking, so help me understand your love. Tell me everything you want me to know, cause I can't fix it till I know that it's broken. Tell me you do, tell me you don't, tell me you will, then tell me you won't.
Now I'm just going to do a quick wing liner using my eyeliner pencil, and this one is by Couture. The brand is Sister, jet black of course. So lately I've been enjoying wearing a smaller lash just because you guys know my eyes are kind of small, and so I've been enjoying a lash that doesn't overpower my eyes. And to apply those, I use the Duo 2-in-1 brush on strip adhesive. It has the clear and the black. I use the black more for sure, but either side doesn't matter. But I've been loving a smaller lash lately. It just makes my eyes just look really cute, you know? So for foundation today, I'm going to be mixing two. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Caramel or Caramel. And I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 5 in 1.5 Maple. Now to contour, I'm going to be using my MAC Foundation Studio Fix Stick. And this one is in the shade NW47. With the rest of the foundation that I didn't use all over my face, I'm just going to take a little bit and carve out my contour underneath my jawline. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using that same e.l.f. concealer and the same Benefit concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. one all over my face, and then I just like to take a little bit of the Benefit concealer underneath my eyes just to brighten them up a little bit more. And while I let that sit, I do like to go ahead and get my setting powder ready. I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent setting powder. Blush, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution liquid blush in the shade Flushing For You. It's the super dewy one.
Help me understand love. Help me go the way you want me to go. Cause I can't guess the things that you're thinking. So help me understand your love. Tell me everything.
Now to set my contour, I'm going to be going in my ABH Contour Kit. And I'm going to be taking my Japanese brush, or Japanese brush in the number 718.
Tell me you do, tell me you don't, tell me you will, and tell me you won't.
And to give my face a little bit more color, you guys know I like to look really sun-kissed, really tan. I'm going in with this KatVonD powder in the shade Deep 71. It's very pigmented, so I take a little bit on like a fluffy brush, and I use this as my bronzer.
We understand love, 'cause you're going about this all the wrong way, and I can't figure out what you wanna say.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust away my setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take this second to lightest shade in the ABH Contour Kit, and I'm just gonna dust off my powder. For blush, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Nude. This is a powder blush, and I'm just gonna use my Morphe M105 brush.
It's all out of my hands. I don't understand 'cause you know you won't talk to me. No, you won't talk to me.
Now for my waterline, I'm gonna use my black gel liner by e.l.f. and a little small brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline.
It's all out of my hands. I don't understand 'cause you know you won't talk to me. No, you won't talk to me. And I'm right here setting my ground.
Now I'm going back into that Patrick Starr palette, and I'm gonna take that second to darkest shade, and I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara.
Help me go the way you want me to go, 'cause I can't guess the things that you're thinking. So help me understand your love. Tell me everything you want me to know, 'cause I can't fix it till I know that it's broken. Tell me you do, tell me you don't, tell me.
Now to highlight my face, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Baked highlight, and this one's in the shade Apricot Glow. So I feel like I always do a nude lip, so today I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's been a while since I've done a more bold lip, so I'm going to be doing like kind of like an ombre lip, not so much, kind of a little bit, I don't know. But I'm going to be lining my lips with my NYX Suede lip liner, and this one is in the shade Cold Brew. And I'm going to take my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Drop Dead Red. And then I'm going to put on top of that my ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Creeper. For my setting spray, I'm going to be using two. I have the POREfessional Super Setter and my Badescu. I'm going to go ahead and set my face first.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at?
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of the products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.